Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 8 measuring time, and in this chapter we are going to learn more about calendar. Introduction. Students, before we start, we will learn important thing about calendar, that is months of year and number of days each month is having. So January month have 31 days, February month have 28 or 29 days. When it is leap year, February month have 29 days. March month have 31 days. April month have 30 days. May month have 31 days. June month have 30 days. July month have 31 days. August month have 31 days. September month have 30 days. October month have 31 days. November month have 30 days. December month have 31 days. So now we will learn some more important things. There are 365 days in a year. A leap year has 366 days. A leap year comes once in 4 years. The year having 29 days in February, then that year is called a leap year. Study this page of a calendar and answer the questions. Here is the page of calendar and it is of January month and year 2020. Student, you have to observe this page of calendar and answer the given questions. Answer the following. Which month is shown in the calendar? So, your month is written. So, we will write the answer. January month is shown in the calendar. Second question. To which year does this calendar belong? So, here year is mentioned. So, we can write answer. This calendar belongs to year 2020. Next question. How many Sundays are there in this month? So, here days of the weeks are written. This is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Question is asked, how many Sundays are there in this month? So, here is the Sunday. We will count number of Sundays. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, we can write your answer. There are 4 Sundays in this month. Next question. Which dates falls on Saturday? Students, here it is asked which dates falls on Saturday and here is the Saturday. So we will see which dates are there in Saturday. 4, 11, 18 and 25. These are the dates and these are the days. So you have to read the question properly. So 4, 11, 18 and 25 dates falls on Saturday. When it is asked about days, you will write this days of the weeks, about days of the weeks. And if it is asked of dates, you will write the dates. Next question. What day is it on the date 5, 12, 19 and 26? So let us find out 5, 12, 19 and 26. Which days fall on this date? It is Sunday. So we will write the answer on the date 5, 12, 19 and 26. It is Sunday. Next question. Which days occurs 5 times in this month? Now we will check the page of calendar. On Sunday, is Sunday falls 5 times? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Monday, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Monday is also 4 times. Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also 4 times. Now we will count on Wednesday. How many times it falls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Wednesday. Next, Thursday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Thursday also occurs 5 times. Now we will check Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Friday is also occurs 5 times. Now we will check Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write the answer. Wednesday, Thursday and Friday occur 5 times in this month. Next question. In this month, how many Fridays occur after 19? So we have to count Fridays occurs after the date 19. So first we will find out 19 date. Here it is. So after 19, how many Fridays are there? It is on 24th and 31st. So 2 Fridays. In this month, 2 Fridays occur after 19th. Next question. What is the date on 3rd Tuesday? Now we have to find out 3rd Tuesday in this month. First Tuesday is 7th, second Tuesday is 14th and third Tuesday is 21. So we will write the answer. The date on 3rd Tuesday is 21st. Next question. What is the date on the last Monday of this month? So here is the Monday. So we will check last date of the Monday. It is 27. So write the answer. The date on the last Monday is 27th. Or you can say date on the last Monday of this month is 27th. Next, how many days are there in this month? So January month has how many days? Check the last date and write the answer. There are 31 days in this month. So students, this is the way we will study the page of calendar and answer the question. One more example I will show you. Study this page of calendar and answer the questions. Now let us see which month it is. August and year 2020, that is 2020. Answer the following. How many days does August month have? So you have to check the last date of the August month. And did you remember we have learned before also days of the months, how many days are there in each month. So your last date is 31st. So write the answer. August month have 31 days. This year on which day of the week is Independence Day? Now we all know Independence Day falls on 15th August. But here read the question, which day is asked, not date, which day. So here is the 15th August Independence Day and it falls on Saturday. So right answer. This year Independence Day is on Saturday. How many Mondays does this month have? So we will count how many Monday is here. How many Mondays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write the answer. This month have 5 Mondays. Next. Which dates fall on Thursday? So we have to write dates which falls on Thursday. So here is the Thursday. So we will see it is 6th, 13th, 20th and 27th. So we will write the answer. 6, 13, 20 and 27 dates fall on Thursday. Now next question. In August, which days occurs 5 times? So we have to count all the days. Date falls in each day. So on Sunday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Sunday falls 5 times. Then Monday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Monday also occurs 5 times. Tuesday 1, 2, 3, 4. Wednesday 1, 2, 3, 4. Thursday 1, 2, 3, 4. Friday 1, 2, 3, 4. And Saturday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 days are occurring 5 times. That is Sunday, Monday and Saturday. So we will write the answer. Sunday, Monday and Saturday occur 5 times in August. Next, how many days pass before the same day of the week is repeated? So your question is, if we want the same day, suppose today is Thursday, okay? Now again we want Thursday. How many days will pass? 2. How many days will pass for next Thursday? So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and on the 8th day we will get again Thursday. So how many days passed between 6th and 13, 7 days. So we will write answer 7 days pass before the same day of the week is repeated. So students, I hope you all have understood how to read the page of calendar. Thank you.